The EPA is once again considering a ban of potentially deadly chemical found in paint strippers. We reported earlier this year how the Trump administration was backing away from banning methylene chloride. The Obama administration's EPA first proposed a ban, saying the chemical posed an unreasonable risk. Anna Werner is here with the new developments on this story. Anna, good morning.
Good morning, Gayle. And environmental and safety advocates call the EPA announcement significant. It means that the ban on this deadly chemical is now still in play, a ban they and the EPA's own scientists say will save lives. We've introduced you to families whose loved ones died from exposure to that chemical in paint strippers. The EPA determined that the chemical, methylene chloride, posed an unreasonable risk and therefore should be banned. But in December, the agency backed off. Well, this week, EPA Administrator Scott Pruitt met with two of the mothers in our reports. And yesterday, the agency said it will now keep moving in the direction of a ban. We spoke with Richard Dennison and the Environmental Defense Fund, who says the families' stories were instrumental in bringing change. So you were worried this was going to be delayed and then potentially buried.
The families that stood up and said enough is enough here made a difference. They were able to appeal to this to members of Congress on both sides of the aisle to demonstrate this was not a partisan fight between environmentalists and industry. It was something that was taking human lives across the country.
Now, we spoke with family members of some of those who died yesterday. They tell us they are cautiously optimistic with this new development, but they plan to continue to hold the agency's feet to the fire until this chemical is banned for consumer and most professional uses. But this is a change from the EPA because in December, after December, the advocates said, well, we really thought that this thing was going to be shoved off basically into the attic where regulations go to die.
Well, those family members you spoke with and did those early reports with, they made a very strong and compelling case.
These mothers one of the mothers told me yesterday, she said, I am not giving up. They are going to continue to hear from us.
Yep.
We are never going to give this up.
Makes a difference.
Makes a difference.
Yep. Makes a big difference.
Thank you, Anna.